Hello, gentle people. Today we are talking about some sea moss. And growing up in Jamaica, this is referred to as Irish moss, right? And I've been seeing it on social media a lot, and I was like, y'all are late to the party because, like, literally, like your whole life growing up in Jamaica, you know what this stuff is. And I didn't know what it was good for, but I knew that they used it to make like a particular smoothie, right? And they call it the front end lifter, and that is for like men's virility. So you can turn up strong, and you know what I mean. So like my lifetime growing up in Jamaica, I was like, I'm not drinking the Irish moss smoothie because I'm not trying to lift up nobody's front. But anyway, this one here, it comes from Trinidad, right? And the way you prepare it is you soak it for 15 minutes and you wash off all the salt. When you smell it, it smells like seawater, right? Because obviously it's coming from the sea. The scientific name is Chondrus crispus. And so you wash it for 15 minutes, you soak it for 15 minutes, and then you rinse it off with some water and a little bit of lime juice. And the sea moss is good for your thyroid. It has iodine and it has selenium. It has potassium in there as well, so that's good for your mental health. It's good for things like fibromyalgia, depression, anxiety, and it's also immunoprotective as well. So it helps with things like Parkinson's. It's detoxifying for stuff like heavy metals, and it's slimy when you make like the gel out of it. So that's good for your digestion. It's good for your immune system as well. It provides immune support. So, if you have sore throat or chest cold or bronchitis, anything like that, and it is packed with amino acids, vitamin C, B vitamins, all that good stuff. So what you do with it after you soak it for 15 minutes, wash it off in a little bit of lime, you put about 2 quarts of water in something like your Vitamix, and you blend it up, and it's going to turn into a gel. And then what you do is you use a little bit of that gel in a smoothie to get all those benefits. So again, this one comes from Trinidad. When you buy it, just make sure it look like that. And you can actually get this one on Amazon, and I just have this book here called Raw Fully Good, Living Flavors of Southeast Asia that I was kind of looking through before. So if you're into raw food, definitely check it out. It is a good book. So those are the benefits of sea moss. All right, peace.